Hey, hi, this is Al. Let's see how to put a new address in the global directory. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my account. I'm not signed in right now. And we'll sign into Clarity here. Come on, sign me in. There we go. And put in my password. And then I'm going to go into Outlook. And I'm going to go over here where it says Groups, Discover, etc. And down here, you'll see People. Click on the People. This will show you people you frequently contact. And this is your contacts list right here. But here's the directory right here. And this has everybody in it. So if you want to add somebody to the directory, you just simply go up here and say New. And add the person's information. Now this will go into, once you hit save, this will go into the directory listing that everybody sees when they go into Outlook when they're online. Hope this helps. Give me a call if you have any questions.